Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Today, guys, I want to focus on none other than one project that I absolutely love on my channel, and I'm a huge believer on this project. And this project is none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.018 cents. It's up 3.4% in the last 24 hours in USD, comparative down 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current ranking, the cryptocurrency market ranking, is still at the top 35th spot, so that is something definitely nice to be saying right now. Market cap is still above that $1.3 billion mark, currently sitting at $1.34 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 41.4 million. So right off the bat, the overall buying pressure is quite low. That is something that we can take away as we go examine the prices. But now let's get right into that. But before I begin, I just wanted to share this with you guys. You guys can see this is a tennis game happening, and you guys can see at the back, look who it is, Vechain Advertisement. And not only is it just an advertisement, it's with the new logo. And again, I've been talking about since the previous bull cycle, one thing I always said that was a challenge for Vechain was the marketing. They were not doing enough marketing. Marketing was slacking, and they really stepped it up. I'm not sure if Sunny Liu has been watching my videos over the past few years, but they really stepped up their marketing scheme, and kudos to them. And I really do believe that the next bull cycle is really going to have a positive impact on this. So I just wanted to share this positive thing with my viewers. But now let's get right into the charts and see what exactly is happening with Vechain and where are we going in the immediate short term. So you guys can see, at this point, the daily time frame really isn't much to show for the regular viewers, but I know there's always new viewers coming onto my channel, and you guys can see this right here is the historic price pattern for the price of Vechain. You guys can see Vechain has hit an all-time high just last year of 28 cents, and since then we have retraced about 94%, so quite a bit of a retracement. And obviously it's not just Vechain, the entire market. You guys can look across the board, everything is in deep red because we are in a bear market. But now let's look deeper and see what exactly is happening with the price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So right away, you guys can see continued consolidation right below this level of resistance. Still have not seen any sort of positive price impact, especially above this level of resistance. We have still not seen that happen since all the way back in May 11th. And we have set a yearly low for the price of Vechain at that 1.7 cents mark. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce towards the upside, obviously mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is forming a little bit of a green candle on its own. But again, as always I say, especially my Vechain viewers, you guys know that we, especially our family here on Crypto ZX, we're not getting excited around these prices. We're still very bearish. Now you may be seeing some people say, oh my god, we're pumping this and that. Absolutely not. Nothing to be getting excited about. Just do not get excited at all. We do need to be obviously in the 78.6, but most importantly above the 22k level, which we're not even close. And I still believe that we could be in for more downward momentum. So what could happen for the price of Vechain? What are my plans, and what is my strategy for the price of Vechain? And as you guys can see, Vechain right now is currently sitting at this major level of support that's built around here. Basically, this is playing as a major level of support for the price of Vechain right now. If we go below here, we could be in for a very sharp drop. And obviously that is going to not be really fun. And that's not a secret at this point. But if we do form an upwards trend, my target would be around this 2.8 cents mark. I really wanted to break out of here, because if it breaks out of this 2.8 cents mark, we are definitely on our way to that 3.3 cents resistance level. And if we break out of here, guys, I do expect Vechain is going to move quite fast. So this is why I'll always, since this initial drop, this is why I've been repeating this 3.4 cents level of resistance over here. That's how important it is. If we break out of here, we could see Vechain fly into the 78.6 faster than you know it. And the 78.6 is currently at that 6.5 cents mark. And if I bring up the measuring tool for you guys, that's still a move of about 252%. And I can definitely see that happening if we break out of this level of resistance. So that's obviously the bullish end of the spectrum. But right now we're in extreme bearish trend. Like I said, all depends on Bitcoin at this time point, guys. If we lose this level of support, then we are looking at some targets around that 1.2 cents mark or even lower, because that would be the next support line at that 1.2 cents mark. If we still break out of that 1.2 cents mark, then yeah, we're going below a penny, and that's where I'm loading up my bags. That's where I will be going extremely FOMO for my personal self. Again, not financial advice, because I do believe that Bitcoin has one final move towards the downside. And now that important thing is that, I'm talking historically. If we look historically, every single bull cycle, the last 2 bull cycles to be specific, we have seen the price of Bitcoin retrace about 83 to 87% from all-time highs. And if we take that into consideration right now, that would put BTC at roughly around, let's do the math right now. Let me bring out that for you guys. So let's say if BTC retraces from its all-time high down 87%, that would put it around 9K. So again, this is not exact numbers, but 9 to 11K-ish range. It would be the bottom in my personal opinion. But we will see what happens. And obviously if that were to happen, because if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, let's say BTC does retrace to 10K. I don't see it going below 10K, to be quite honest, but you never know. But let's say it goes to 10K, that would mean a move of about 40%. What would that do to Vechain? So you guys are familiar with that. Whenever BTC takes a huge correction, everything is going to react with it, and majority of the time altcoins get hit double or even 60-70% more than Bitcoin. So let's say Vechain drops 30%. This is a daily time frame, so you guys need to remember that. 30% would mean a 1.2 cents mark. So we're not looking too bad. A lot of people are saying, but yeah, 1.2%, again, that's just if it drops like the same amount as Bitcoin, but that's not the case. We'll probably, if Bitcoin drops that much, if Vechain should be dropping at least 60% in my personal opinion. And that 60% move would be around that 0.0076 cents mark. And I believe that around there roughly would be the absolute bottom. A lot of people are saying that Vechain is going to drop back down to these prices. March 13th lows. I absolutely don't see that happen, though. That ship has sailed. And I don't see that personally happening unless BTC drops to 5K, which I don't see happening unless some next level thing happens, like Coinbase goes insolvent. Then will be massive, and I believe we will be in a major level of bear market at that point, but I don't see that happening. But we will take it a day at a time. But I believe 2023 is going to be very positive as far as the overall market positivity is concerned. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And my Vechain supporters, I love each and every one of you guys. You guys have shown me so much support since day one, and it never goes unnoticed. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.